For the first time, Escanaba High School will host a first robotics team competition. 37 high school robotics teams, including more than a dozen from the UP, are set to compete in Escanaba this weekend. ABC 10's Molly Smirka spent time with one of the teams to see what type of robot it's building.
First robotics clubs across the UP are getting ready to show off their robots and engineering skills at a district event in Escanaba on Friday. First Robotics stands for Inspiration and Recognition of Science and Technology. Negaunee First Robotics mentor Scott Washburn calls it a sport for the mind.
It's problem solving for them, and it's a lot of fun. So we're pretty much here just as support to make sure everyone's safe and to answer any questions and help them grow in this experience.
For the competition, each team is given 6 weeks to build a robot with certain rules and constraints.
There's actually quite a few rules. You have to have different weights, dimensions. The dimensions can change a bit after you start. So ours has an arm that has to go up for when you first put it out there, but then we lower it once we start the actual competition.
Bring it in.
This year's project is to build a robot that will put an inflatable ball in a hoop, similar to basketball.
It has a drive system, so it can go in any direction, forward and backward, pretty quick. It's a little bit touchy on the controls, and then it has an arm that can be raised and lowered with a motor, and then it has a shooting system where it can suck in a ball if it's touching it at the point where the wheel is on the arm, and then it can shoot it out into another robot or into a goal.
The robot is controlled by entering codes into the computer and then using a joystick to move the robot around.
Making the robots work with each other, passing the ball to each other, and then making a goal. There's a lower goal and a higher goal, and depending which one you get in, it's more points. And the more assists that you do, which is the main goal of this, is working with the other teams and being able to work together, throwing and catching the ball.
The team gets ideas from other First Robotics teams to try and build the best structure as possible.
The big thing about this competition is all teams help each other out, so they'll post their notes. And you can go out and onto the internet and look them up and see what other teams are doing, get ideas, and then kind of take them for your own and put your own spin on it.
The First Robotics team doesn't see the event in Escanaba as competition, but more as a fun and friendly sport.
Mainly having fun. It's so hard to know what's going to happen out there. We could get out there and we could have something major break, but you just go out and you have fun, and we do what we can.
For ABC 10 News Now, I'm Molly Smirka.